Welcome to AutoPulse, your ultimate destination for deep dive, high-authority automotive content, where performance meets precision and luxury meets truth. If you demand power without compromise, luxury without limits, and engineering that borders on obsession, today's video is made for you. This is a full cinematic deep dive into the officially unveiled next-generation 2026 Mercedes-AMG S65, a flagship performance SUV that redefines what the very title of the segment truly means. In an era dominated by electrification and downsizing, Mercedes-AMG makes a bold statement. The S65 SUV isn't built for the masses. It's built for those who understand heritage, prestige, and the emotional weight of true mechanical excellence. At its core lies the legendary AMG 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged V12, hand-assembled under the iconic one-man, one-engine philosophy. Output is expected to exceed 750 horsepower, with immense torque delivered almost instantly, launching this full-size luxury SUV with authority that rivals supercars. And for all this engineering mastery, the expected starting price lands well into the upper echelon of the luxury market, north of $230,000 in base form before options, reflecting its bespoke performance and exclusivity. This places the S65 SUV among the most elite SUVs on the planet. The 2026 Mercedes-AMG S65 SUV isn't just a vehicle. It's a celebration of engineering mastery and a final, unapologetic expression of V12 dominance in a rapidly changing world.